What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, so y'all gotta start doing better. Y'all gotta start doing your research. Y'all gotta start following instructions, because a lot of y'all be still talking to these fake King Hustle pages, getting scammed, and then y'all literally be talking to fake pages, and then will write me and send me a screenshot of y'all talking to them. Like, how weird is that? And then complain about y'all getting scammed. So please get a FaceTime verification call or a video before you send your money to anybody to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you pay for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, listen. If you want to become a millionaire, if you want to make major money, major bucks, big bands, big money, big all that, you have to become a self-employed entrepreneur. You got to become your own boss. You are not going to become a multimillionaire working a 9 to 5 job. You have to put yourself in the position to win, point blank, period. There's a lot of people out there in the world that got their handouts. A lot of people out there in the world that's followers. A lot of people out there in the world that's lazy. There's a lot of people out there in the world that make complain about why they ain't doing this and why they not doing this, and if they had this, they'd be doing this. If they had that, they'd be doing. Cut it out, because the only person that's holding you back from being successful is yourself. You can literally wake up today and say, you know what, I'm gonna do better. I'm gonna start something new. I'm gonna start generating me some type of stream of income so I can start making passive income. I'm gonna make me a YouTube channel. I'm gonna go find out where to get this product. I'm gonna go get some knowledge about this so I can teach it to people and start getting paid. I'm gonna figure out something, some way to make some money. Now, it's a billion different ways to make money out here, but it all boils down to what you know and what you're willing to learn. A lot of people not willing to learn nothing. A lot of people don't know anything because they're lazy. They got their what? Hand out. A lot of people get mad at other people because they get successful or they get some money because they put themselves in that position, and you get mad at them because they didn't give anything to you. We gotta stop doing that, because if you took the time and did something with yourself and you start making some money, then people want to come to you and start doing the exact same thing that you're doing, because what? People are followers. So you want to become a millionaire, you want to become a multimillionaire, I'm gonna show you how to do that today. I'm gonna show you how to literally start a business, an LLC, get your EIN number. Once you get your EIN number, you can start getting credit cards, loans, and things like that. Now, the trick is the rich get rich off credit, the poor get poor because they don't understand credit and they don't deal with credit, right? So when you see a lot of people getting this money and investing in their businesses, even the people that's on Shark Tank, you ever seen people on Shark Tank and you ever think to yourself, where are they getting this money for to invest into their products and invest into whatever they're trying to sell to these people, to Mark Cuban and all these different people, entrepreneurs, right? It's like, well, did their parents give them the money? Did they, like, what did they do? And it's all off business credit. You can start with $0 and leverage it to $1,000,000. Easy as that. And it's all off credit, payment history, debt, DTI, all that type of stuff like that, right? So if you want to become a multi-millionaire, I'm going to give you the steps for you to become a millionaire off credit, and you can become successful in life, right? So the first thing you want to do is you want to figure out, what do you want to become an entrepreneur with? What do you want? What business do you want to run? What is your gift? What is your niche? What do you know? What do you want to provide? Because everybody out there in the world that's successful, they provide something. They have some type of product or some type of knowledge that so many people want and need, that they provide it and people come to them, right? And that's called the 3 Ps: product, perception, and promotion. As long as you got your product, as long as you can promote that product and you can sell the perception for this product that this is what the consumer wants and needs, they're going to buy it. So that's why they got commercials. That's why it's ads and things like that, because that person, those people, that business is promoting their product for you guys to sell the perception for you guys to buy it. From Xboxes to credit lessons to whatever it is, credit gurus, wholesaling gurus, any type of ad or commercial that you see is promotion for you to buy their product. So back to what I said, the 3 P's: product, perception, and promotion. First, you got to figure out what your product is going to be. It could be a physical product, or it could be some type of knowledge. What is something that so many people want to learn? People want to learn how to make money. People want to learn how to start trucking. People want to learn how to do almost everything. So what's going to be more beneficial to you when you teach it? What are you going to teach to the people that's going to make them want to pay you and learn more? What do you know about? What do you know that's going to get you some money and other people money, right? Boom. Once you figure out what your product is going to be, what your information is going to be, you're going to say, okay, boom. Where are the people that want this product? How am I going to get my clientele for this product? So that's when you do your research. You're going to go out there and find people what type of niche they want. People want learn how to truck. Okay, you're gonna find people that want to learn how to truck. You're gonna go on YouTube, make videos. You're gonna go on Instagram and search trucking. You're gonna do all the research that you need to do to find people that like trucking. If you got people that want to start their own clothing line, you got the best vendor. You're gonna teach people where to go to outsource for certain things, cut and sew manufacturers. There's so many different things that you could be selling and providing to people that they want, need, that they'll buy it. You can get anything. You can get your hands on anything. And like I said, you see a lot of people selling something. Everybody is selling something. So what is going to be your product that you're selling that's going to get you rich, that's going to get you out the door, right? So once you figure out what that product is, you're going to say, okay, let me make sure my personal credit is together, because so I'm gonna have to go through all that with my business credit so I can have it just start leveraging it ASAP. So like I told you guys before, you're gonna get you an Experian account. Once you get that Experian account, $25 a month, you're gonna see the debt on your credit report. You're gonna see the credit cards on your report. You're gonna see your payment history. You're gonna see all those type of things. And if you have bad credit, bad debt on your credit, you want to clean it up. So you're gonna freeze all 3 of your credit bureaus: your Experian, your TransUnion, your Equifax. Once you freeze them, you're gonna go back to Experian and you're gonna start disputing all those old and negative accounts, right? So boom, once you dispute all those old and negative accounts, then you're going to go and you're going to because once it's froze, all your accounts is froze, the credit bureaus or people who are going to check to see if those accounts are accurate, they can't get into your credit report, so they have no choice but to delete it off your credit report. And like I told you guys, anything 7 years or older is classified as expired. So those are going to be the accounts that you start seeing fall off first, all right? And then you got the laws, you got your letters that you can write in, so you can start mailing in and getting other things like late payments, bankruptcies, evictions off your credit report also. Once you do that and you start adding those trade lines, then you want to start adding trade lines. So Credit Strong, they got $42,500 worth of trade lines. They got they got Self, Incredible, Ava, Credit Rent Boost. There's so many different trade line sites that you can go to add trade lines to your credit report to start boosting your credit. Credit Rent Boost will literally 2 weeks give you 100 to 150 points on your credit report. Boom, it will report your previous rent and your current rent. So tap into that. Trade line supply. Anybody out there need credit card payments? You need that credit card trade line. Go to Trade Line Supply. They got any credit card limits from $3,000 to $60,000. So you buy your credit card limit with $20,000. You won't get the card, but it report on your credit, reflect on your credit as if you do have that card, and it's going to start building your credit, and that can be leveraged towards your business credit. So once you got all that going on, you let it age, you let it mature, then you get your business credit together. You get your business situated. So you get your business your LLC, you get your EIN number, you get your business email, your business number, you get your number registered with the 401 National Directory, you get your virtual address, and you got your website. Then you get your Dun & Bradstreet and your NAV account. So now you got your PayDex score, your PayNet score, and you can start tracking that. Now you can start getting those net 30 accounts. Get 5 of those. Once you get 5 net 30 accounts, that's going to be 30 days to pay those accounts off. It's going to boost your business credit up. And make sure those accounts is like at least $5,000, $3,000 to $5,000. Once you pay off that $3,000 to $5,000 and you leveraging out that $20,000 personal credit card towards your business credit card, now you can do something called credit stacking. Credit cards stacking on the business side. So it's different credit cards that report to one bureau. So these credit cards might report to Experian. These credit cards might report to TransUnion. These credit cards might report to Equifax Business, right? So you find out which cards report to what. You find 3 to 4 cards on each one that reports. You get the highest limit ones, and now you got at least 12 credit cards that's limited to $250,000, $500,000, you name it, all in business credit. Now you just literally leverage 5 $250,000 to $500,000 in business credit cards. Now what you can do is, now that you got your business bank account, checking in, savings, now that you got all that going on, you're gonna start, like I said, wherever you go, open up 3 to 5 business bank accounts. Once you go open up those bank accounts, you're gonna deposit a couple dollars in there, $3,000 to $5,000 periodically in 32 days. After the 32 days, you're gonna go in there and say, hey, I want to get me a business loan for $49,000, $50,000, no docs, because you got money already in there. They've been sending you perks, and now you got, what's that, 4 banks. That's another $200,000. You can get even higher limit loans and lines of credit that under $50,000 is just, you won't have to give too much documents, so it's easier. Now you got you a $750,000 in capital just off the business side, and you ain't even got that much money in real money on your personal side. So that's why you leverage business credit, personal credit to business credit. That's how you get that free money. The rich get rich because they understand credit. The poor get poor because they don't do the steps that I just told you to be able to build your credit, to be able to get these loans, lines of credit, and these credit cards, and they stay in the same position. All right, so once you do all that, now you got yourself to become a multi-millionaire, because you can continue to get loans, lines of credits, and credit cards, continue to build it, continue to make money, continue to save the money, and continue to do the same thing over and over again. That's why I preach and teach credit, because credit is the #1 money game in the world. Credit will get you rich. Credit will get you the money that you needed so bad. Credit will get you your first $1 million faster than you trying to do something to save it. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all following these instructions. Make sure y'all getting y'all LLCs, y'all EIN numbers. Make sure y'all getting y'all businesses together, and I guarantee y'all be successful. Y'all can start making y'all first $500 to $1 million in no time. 6 months to 12 months, easy peasy, peanut butter cups. Just have you some capital, have the instructions, and I promise you, you'll be good to go. All right, so shout out to all my King Hussle fans, my new ones, my old ones, my new supporters, old supporters, all that, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce. Y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Also, anybody out there looking to get their credit lessons, y'all want to learn how to build, clean y'all credit, all that good stuff, $600. But you want me to do it for you, it's going to be $1,500 and up. I'm going to add trade lines, all that. I'm going to get your credit together, all right? So make sure y'all tap it in. Also, anybody out there looking to get basic lessons, it's going to be $500. One topic, FaceTime 101s, all right? So make sure y'all pick y'all one topic, tap in, $500, FaceTime 101s. Also, limited gems, $1,200, FaceTime 101s. It's going to get limited gems from CPN sauce, credit sauce, how to make money, $1,000 a day on social media, DW sauce, unlimited gems. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. Also, make sure y'all can get y'all mentorship, $2,500. It's gonna be everything with the unlimited gems, plus you gonna get information on the DW, and we're gonna start making money together with this YouTube automation stuff. All right, so we're gonna make us some YouTube automation channels. We're gonna build it, we're gonna grow it, and start making some money. All right, so tap in. Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat right now in the crypto tour. In-person unlimited gems, $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state, $500 deposit, $4,500 if I got to come out-of-state to you, $3,500 if you come in-state to me, all right? So you're going to pay your $500 deposit, we're going to pick the date, and we're going to go from there, all right? So make sure y'all don't miss out on that. Still look for people for the production company, actors, rappers, models, producers, cameramen. Tap in. Music reviews, $200. So if you rap and sing, you want to get your chain, you want to start making money, your watch, start making money with your music, tap in. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 plus into you and your career? Please make it make sense. Any models out there, any beautiful ladies out there that's ready to build and grow, get their face out there, get their platform and their brand out there, tap in. You don't got a good head on your shoulders, I can't work with you. Can't be corrected, you can't be directed. I don't deal with bad attitudes. I don't deal with women who don't think they ish, don't stink. Because clearly, if you knew a little something, you'd be doing a little bit better. Point blank, period. All right, so teamwork make the dream work. Let's make it happen. Also, any videographers out there that's got good editing, good camera, 4K or better, good masking, FX effects, transitions, all that, tap in with me. Houston, Texas, Texas surrounding areas can travel, tap in, let's work. Also, anybody out there looking to get that cash app glitchy, y'all ready to run up them bands? Y'all listen. Let me show y'all something just to show y'all real quick. The glitch is real. I made that like 4 times, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in, getting y'all glitchy. It's gonna be $250 for the cash app glitchy, the card cracking method, and the one free fully. So tap in, don't miss out on that. Come get y'all, go learn, get some money, go run up them bands. Don't miss out. Go follow my Telegram. Link is in the description. Link is in my community post, so you can't not follow my Telegram. My Telegram name is not no King Hussle nothing. So if y'all follow any Telegrams with the name King Hussle, that's a fake. That's a scam. That's not me. Alright, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Make sure y'all come to get y'all gems. Make sure y'all tapping in with the Cash App Glitchy, 250, Cash App a Bitcoin payment. Make sure 250 on your Cash App balance. Once it is, send me a screenshot of y'all balance, the Bitcoin or the Cash App, and we'll go from there. Alright, so shout out to everybody that's been tapping in. Let's get back to this money. Go follow me on all my social media platforms, King Hussle X1M and the real King Hussle X1M. And y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Oh yeah, hoodies coming soon. Pre-orders for the hoodie start June 1st. We got smalls to 2XLs. They are $250. So you ready to tap in? You ready to get you a hoodie? Tap in, $250. Pre-orders start June 1st. I might even give you a free method if you order a hoodie. So make sure you tap it in. 50 hoodies. Don't miss out. Exclusive order for the sketchy line. And we're going to keep it rocking, man. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see you at the next video. Peace.